How do you live there? How old are you guys? What are your aims to be?
What are your hobbies?
Hi, which is your favorite place to visit?
What would you like to be in your future? What would you like to study?
We are celebrating Holi. Which festival do you like?
Do you like our country?
How do you live with your family?
Do you have problems? Then share us. What is your best food? Learn. What do you like to play? Which is your favorite place? Bye. Do you like playing football? Bye.